Most people think you need connections, a rich family, or a crazy idea to make money. But the truth is much simpler. Some of the most boring businesses quietly turn $1,000 into $10,000 every single year. No crypto hype, no overnight scams, no gurus selling dreams. Just real businesses run by regular people who understood one thing most people ignore. Stay till the end, because business number 4 is one almost nobody talks about, yet it consistently creates cash. Here's the mindset shift you need to make. You don't build wealth by chasing big ideas. You build wealth by solving small problems at scale. Every business on this list can be started with around $1,000, solves a real problem, has demand right now, can realistically grow to $10,000 plus. Let's break them down. Business number 1, local service business. This is the most underrated money machine. Things like cleaning services, car detailing, lawn care, pressure washing. You don't need an office, you don't need a website at first, you just need customers. $1,000 goes into basic equipment, simple branding, local ads or flyers. Charge $100 per job, do 3 jobs per day. That's $300. Do that 20 days a month, you're already at $6,000. Scale it with referrals, and $10,000 becomes realistic very fast. Business number 2, digital skills business. This one is powerful because it has low overhead. Examples: video editing, social media management, website building, AI automation services. Your $1,000 is spent on learning the skill, software, basic marketing. One client pays $500 per month. Get 10 clients, that's $5,000 monthly. No inventory, no shipping, just skill plus internet. This is how many freelancers quietly replace their 9-to-5. Business 3, niche e-commerce. Not dropshipping hype, niche-focused e-commerce. You sell to a specific audience. Fitness accessories, pet products, home organization, hobby-related items. $1,000 covers sample inventory, simple store setup, ads testing. You don't need millions of views, you need the right people. One good product, one good audience, one good offer. That's how small stores hit $10,000. Business number 4, print-on-demand brand. This one surprises people. Custom, t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, built around a niche community, a message, or a trend. No inventory. You only pay when someone orders. $1,000 goes into designs, branding, ads, or influencer shoutouts. If one design goes viral, $10,000 can happen faster than you think. Business number 5, rental and arbitrage business. You don't need to own assets, you just need access. Examples: camera rentals, tools, party equipment, Airbnb arbitrage. Buy once, rent repeatedly. That's how $1,000 turns into recurring income. This is one of the oldest wealth strategies. People just forgot about it. Reality check. Here's the hard truth. None of these businesses work if you quit too early, expect instant success, don't show up consistently. $1,000 doesn't magically become $10,000, but discipline plus demand plus time makes it possible. Money doesn't come from luck. It comes from leverage and action. Pick one business. Go all in for 90 days. Learn fast, adjust faster. Watch the next video on your screen where I break down the biggest money mistakes keeping people broke. Subscribe to NextGen Finance if you want real money strategies, no hype.